Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the gap between reps and the rest time on the home workout application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then scroll down to the settings section, tap on it, and here you have the rest time option in the workout section. Tap on it and you can set it to now as you can see it's set to 20 seconds, and you can also set the reps gap, which is set to 5 seconds, but you can set it to 0 to 5 or 10. So tap on the relevant one and it will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.